The Kia Sportage Infotainment system includes navigation, audio, and connectivity features. It can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive, but these issues are often fixable through resets. There are three main reset methods: soft reboot for quick restarts, hard reset for factory restoration, and specific steps for frozen screens. Newer models from 2023 to 2025 benefit from over-the-air updates that address common bugs. Older models before 2020 rely on manual resets. Remember to never reset while driving and ensure the vehicle is parked. Consult your vehicle's manual for model-specific instructions to avoid warranty issues. For a soft reboot, press and hold the power or volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This is ideal for minor glitches and clears temporary issues without losing your settings. For a factory reset, turn on the ignition with the engine off, then navigate to Settings, System, Factory Data Reset. Confirm the reset and follow the prompts. This erases all customizations, so you'll need to repair devices and update software afterward. If the screen is frozen, hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds to force a shutdown. If that doesn't work, disconnect the car battery for 5 minutes, but consult your manual for the battery location first. Remember, steps may vary by your model year and UVO version. Always ensure the vehicle is safely parked before performing these resets.